Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you 3 of the best free video editing software available. I decided to do this tutorial based on many videos that I see on YouTube that has a watermark. Now I'm sure you don't like this watermark. Be sure on this 3 apps no watermark be added to your final videos. The apps I'm going to show are HitFilm Express, Shotcut, and VSDC. Now, I'm not going to do a how to use tutorial, I'm going to point out the best features on all 3 and let you do the choosing on what seemed best for you. I'm going to leave download links to all 3 apps in the description. The best advantage of HitFilm Express is that it comes bundled with over 500 video effects that one can use to create effects like flashes, explosions and much more. These effects like flashes and explosions are also available in Adobe After Effects, but to use that you need to download the Action Essentials Pack by Video CPI lot, which is more costly and consumes more data. Unlikely though that HitFilm provides the same in one version, it's like a smaller pack with a bigger explosion. Another awesome feature is the ability to auto-sync voice or audio recorded with different devices, like if someone has recorded voice from a camera and other device like a portable mic, then both can be loaded in separate layers and auto-syncing them will line them up awesomely. All you need to do is register for free license use on one computer. Now I'm going to read you the best features on VSDC. Simple video editing allows nonlinear video editing, which allows you to incorporate different elements to the video, such as effects, computer graphics, several scenes, and incorporate them at the same time and see what you want to edit in a single window. When the video is finished, it can be exported in compatible formats. You don't need to be connected to the internet to use it, just download it to your computer and you're done. Shotcut is a very good, multi-platform video editing solution. Even video editors with little to no experience will find the layout and usability of Shotcut to be appealing and usable. Import and organization of video files is straightforward, and an array of basic editing tools will enable many users to complete high-quality video projects with little investment. Color grading and clip correction tools are surprisingly good for a free program. Another big plus is that it is lightweight, meaning it delivers a lot of power for a small program size and doesn't slow down real-time rendering trying to do too many other things.